you really like red light. Like when you found out that we had it, Tom said that you were like, oh, I'm into red light.
I am. So for really a majority of my life, I've suffered from acne. So I can remember 4th grade getting made fun of from just severe acne all over my face. And I started going to an esthetician when I was young because of my acne. So I blame my, love and obsession for skincare on that starting at a young age. But one of the things that I have really dove deep into is red light. And I first got exposed to that because of my esthetician and treating my acne. So acne is obviously severely inflamed. And for me, I was someone who just kept picking at it and would continue boosting that inflammation, right? Like it never truly healed. And so once I got under the red light, you could totally tell a difference in that inflammation. And it was incredible for my face, right? So when I heard about the red light bed, I actually heard about the red light bed from Kim Kardashian. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yep. That's when I first heard that it was a thing.
Like a whole bed.
A whole bed, exactly. And I'm a science person at heart. That was my education. I studied genetics, so I like to dive into, is this actually, what is this actually doing for me, right? And so I did a little research, went on a little research pub, and, started to understand exactly what it was doing. And then when I heard about the red light bed, that it was applicable for your whole body, I couldn't help but say no. So it's been awesome. I will say like we said earlier, I'm a fitness instructor, and so I'm constantly on my wrists, like in a plank or in a chaturanga and yoga. And so my wrists get a lot of trauma, and it's been bothering me recently, and started going to the red light bed and haven't had any pain since. Wow. So